You asked, how to divide 100,000 by 35 using the long division method. 1 is too small. 10 is too small. Use 100. 100 divided by 35 equals 2. 2 times 35 equals 70. 100 minus 70 equals 30. Bring down 0, making 300. 300 divided by 35 equals 8. 8 times 35 equals 280. 300 minus 280 equals 20. Bring down 0, making 200. 200 divided by 35 equals 5. 5 times 35 equals 175. 200 minus 175 equals 25. Bring down 0, making 250. 250 divided by 35 equals 7. 7 times 35 equals 245. 250 minus 245 equals 5. The remainder is 5. The final result is 2,857 remainder 5.